If you give a bunny a carrot, he'll hop with joy and say, "Oh yay," but then he'll want some crunchy lettuce to munch along the way. If you give him leafy lettuce, he'll ask for a little dip. Then he'll need a tiny napkin to wipe his wiggly lips. If you give him a napkin, he'll make a paper hat. Then he'll want a big adventure, riding on a fluffy cat. If he rides the fluffy kitty, they'll zoom around real fast. Then he'll start to feel so hungry and ask for a carrot at last. Oh, if you give a bunny a carrot, you'll start this all again. It's a never-ending cycle with your funny bunny friend.
Like, comment, and subscribe.